Welcome to our channel. This video is about connecting an Alta Labs network to an external captive portal. In the Alta dashboard, we'll go to settings and we'll add a new Wi-Fi network. We'll specify the SSID of that network, and in Wi-Fi security, we'll select open. We'll go to advanced settings and we will select a VLAN. In this case, we are not using any VLAN. The network type will be guest and we will enable hotspot. The type will be external and we'll specify the URL of the hotspot. And similarly, Alta requires us to enter an authorization secret. So we'll enter the secret here and we will specify any walled garden settings in additional authorized hosts section. And then we are going to save the settings. This page contains the code for the captive portal. The secret parameter in line number 5 needs to match the secret that we entered in the Alta dashboard, and the API URL parameter in line number 7 is a predefined URL to which this secret is submitted for verification. The rest of the code contains a curl request which submits this secret in the form of JSON encoded data, and once this is submitted, the user will get authorized on the network. You can incorporate this bit of code in your custom external captive portal. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks and have a nice day.